Merhaba kan çiçekleri ailesi.
Mardin sabahından herkese günaydın.
Social media, Yagmur, Yüksel and Baris Baktas many new pictures have also been shared that have got a lot of attention on social media. Yagmur and Baris went to visit a religious place together and Yagmur was wearing that's why a traditional dress. Yes guys, she was also wearing a dupatta on her head to cover her hairs because she was at a religious place. So Yagmur, Yüksel and Baris Baktas' new video is getting viral on social media and it has got up a lot of attention on social media. It is really liked and admired by the fans. Yagmur, Yüksel and Baris Baktas' new beautiful video has been shared on social media.